Now, without further ado, I'm very pleased to welcome Andy Hancock from SAP and Michael Jordan from Utopia. Gentlemen, welcome.
Hello, Paul. A pleasure to be here.
Mike, how about this one for you in terms of, do you see the newly emerging collaborative environments like SAP IAM providing major opportunities for innovation?
Asset Intelligence Network is really poised to be a game changer, Paul. We're excited about that. Now the owner-operator thought leaders like Chevron, BASF are driving their suppliers to bring their catalogs online. This real-time collaboration is making a difference. We're working with customers that we're using AIN as the backbone with Asset Information Workbench to share and process spare part interchangeability records between EPCs and suppliers, owner-operators, to share obsolescence notifications, process those internally. This level of collaboration we've never seen before, so we see this is making the difference.
So, Mike, why don't you take the next question? What trends do you see in the centralization or even outsourcing of plant maintenance and engineering activities?
Well, this builds on that same topic. Now, with accurate data available to be shared, organizations, owner-operators can share all the necessary performance information, asset parameters, with a central set of experts that can do reliability analysis. So we can centralize the expertise, share the information among plants. That makes practical things like outsourced maintenance and centrally plan a maintenance activity, have a maintenance team blow in and know exactly what work needs to be done, what spare parts, where to find them. So collaboration all the way down to putting boots in the plant is now possible with this level of collaboration. We're excited about the new level of data sharing that's possible.
Great. So, Mike, this next question is for you. What innovations do you see in capital project execution and capital project information handover? Do the CFIHOS standards offer opportunities for innovation?
Capital Facility Information Handover Standard. It took a while to remember all that.
Took a while to say it.
There we go. It started, the innovation started in Europe. It's now being embraced pretty well globally. It allows us to define in detail what a capital facility would look like, what the model looks like as it's shared among EPCs and designers, and transfer an intelligent design into the owner-operator. So now we're not just getting PDFs from the EPCs and wishing we had data. We can bring intelligent data over, get an intelligent handover. Some analysts have said improper, incomplete capital project information handover can add up to 1% to the total capital project cost. Chopping that out and getting that handover complete allows a capital project to start on time, under budget, and ramp up to full operational capacity in no time. This is exciting.